Hi guys, how you doing? So today what we're gonna show you is basically how to set up your trailer, the best ways you could do to set up your trailers. I don't have the best ways, but I got some okay ways. As you see over there, I got a shovel rack, shovels, stick. It holds 6 of them, right? I got that for real cheap on Amazon. I got a link on the description. It's supposed to channel. If you're going through that link, you could get anything you want. You don't have to get that one specifically. You get any one you want. You don't like it, you go to the next one. Long as you stay through that link, you understand, it's supposed to channel in every way possible that you could imagine. So these right here are from VEVOR. I'm also gonna have a link on the description that also supposed to channel. This right here are from VEVOR. They are the best ones that I found so far for the price. I believe that was like $40 if I'm not mistaken. And they are phenomenal. Look, they pinch the weed eater real good. They don't go dancing and flopping all over the place. So what I do is I mark it with landscape, and then I use these bits that you can also get on Amazon or VEVOR. I'm gonna put the link on the description. And these are the best things for metal. I'm not trying to floss. I just got up, so I just got dressed up. So after I throw my stuff on, I put my jewels on. Instead of putting it inside the shirt like I always do, I started recording. I don't like flossing. I don't like none of that stuff, just to make it clear, The point is, you don't want to go too fast, because then this will heat up, this will melt, and then you won't have a tip anymore. There you go. It's in, right? The problem is that you want to find out first. So it says there 716, the hole. So you're gonna go to 716. You're not gonna make the hole bigger, 716, sack hole. You're gonna make sure that the other side's legit, right? I like to mark the middle of the hole just like that. to 7/16. Right? So now we got that out the way. Oh no, these are not it, bro. So I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I like to improvise a lot, right? So I'm gonna show you something, right? The screws that these bronze, right? They are cool. Like you see right here, these screws right here are the ones we need, the short ones. What happened was I lost them because I put that rack like about 5 months ago, and this rack, when they send it to me, they send me 2 racks. I did the video for that one. I just forgot about where I put the screws at for this one, and I found them, but I found just long screw. I don't want to put long screw, so what I do is I found the same exact thread screws, right? But better. A skinny part for this piece right here, because the beam is right here, so I don't want anything to go crazy. So I could put it right there, and it's the same size, right? And then, right? And then once I do that, which I could have it 2 ways. I could have it like this, which I like it a lot more like this. There we go. That's real good right there, right? So now, why I put it here? I had welded this trailer. This trailer was bended. So what I did was I cut right here, I cut right here, and I welded these trailers together after I had bended it. If you see right here, come over here, Jay. I welded this trailer right here, right here, right here, and right here, right? Because it was bended. It's a good weld, professional weld, but since I'm gonna put a little weight there, I might as well just have it tight and it won't go nowhere like that. The same thing I'm gonna do with this side. So the same thing I'm gonna do with this side. This side, I'm gonna put right here where I want it. Let me get the landscape. Okay. I'm gonna put right here, and what I do with this is I make sure that it's on the place where I want it at, and right? That's it real quick. Take it out. Boom, right? Now, just to make sure that I got it on the same place. Right? I'm gonna mark right there. Oh. And I'm gonna mark right the middle. Right there. We got both the middle right there. Put it on first. Right? The same thing I'll do with this one. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I don't know if you want to go in here so they can see. Perfect hose. We got this one now. A lot right here. Done. And then I'll make sure that it's the way I want it. Perfect. You know what I'm saying? Perfect. Perfect. You always want that weed eater to be straight. It doesn't matter if it messes up your stickers. The stickers ain't gonna last forever. Then oh, that's a different caliber. Put all these right here. Okay, let me see. That's cool right there. That's cool right there. I don't like to put it too tight because I like to maneuver. You know what I'm saying? But that right there is cool, so I'm gonna put it right there. And guys, there you have it. Trimmer grip. Trimmer grip. I have a couple of those for these hangers. I have a couple of those for the shovels. I just want my people and me personally to work comfortable. You know, the more comfortable we work, the more we'll last at work. For sure. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am going to load my trailer because I'm late. I'm going to back my truck up. I need to find the tools that's going to go there on that rack. And basically I'll show you guys after I set it up. I'll show you guys how it's gonna look, but I'm not gonna go too fancy today or I'm cleaning anything up because I'm late to work. See you guys later. All right, God bless you guys. So basically here you guys go. You see I got one right there. This one, you actually see I got the right bolts. Like I said, I had lost these bolts, but if you really take a pay attention, I did it a little more farther away so like that it could fit perfectly. Back here I got a whole man's. I got my chainsaws, my, you know what I'm saying, hedges and all that why not stuff, you know what I'm saying? I got more hedges here. But yeah, man, there you got it, you know what I'm saying? I got one of my blowers there. I got another blower back there that I'm gonna go get right now. And that's it, guys. I'm late. See you guys later, man. Hope you like and subscribe, buddy.